Happy Monday, everyone. I'm Stephen Hoy with Dimension U with a winner announcement from week one of the Summer Math Splash. It was a clean sweep this week with our top three highest cumulative scorers, all from the same summer program at Flamingo Elementary in Broward County, Florida. Our top three winners were Jaxo D17, with a score of 65,775 points. And next was Sarah P30 with 75,150 points. And finally, in the top spot was Diego R36 with 88,800. That's amazing. Everybody did great. Congratulations to all of our week one Tower Storm Summer Math Splash winners, as well as everybody who participated. Okay, and a quick shout out to Mr. Anderson at Flamingo Elementary School, who supervises the summer program there at Flamingo. Okay, everyone, this week is the Meltdown Challenge. So good luck. Remember, you can track your results, find out all the details at the Dimension U Esports website. So have a great week. I will talk to you soon.